So if A over B equals 2, what is the value of 4 over BA? Well, first of all, I can think of this as 4 times B over A. Well, if A over B is equal to 2, isn't that the same as 2 over 1? In other words, A can equal 2 and B can equal 1. So then in this line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 4 times B over A, which is really 1 over 2. What's 1/2 of 4? 2. But just for a little review, what's 4 times 1? 4. What's 1 times 2? 2. Remember that a fraction is kind of like a division problem. 4 divided by 2 equals 2.